Okay, hi, this is a video showing you how to install this hitch. This is the Curt. The model is 13652. This is for, on my car, it was a 2026 RAV4. Mine is the Prime model. I wasn't sure if there's anything unique about that, but apparently not. It went in perfectly fine. This fits beautiful. They give you this installation manual on the rear. It also show you the capacity, weight capacity for towing. Anyway, it's on there. They do tell you need a 19mm socket, which I did for removing this hitch. Okay, this is like a tow hitch. It's on the rear, on the passenger side. And they will tell you you'll need that was a 17mm socket to remove the hitch. There is a 19mm for installing the 4 bolts. They give you, I think, a wrench works best because you're going to be in a tight spot. I have a ratcheting wrench, makes it beautiful, so you can go back and forth real quick and easy. But they show you on the back how it's going to go. So basically, this is the frame rail on the left and the right. This is going to fit on the outside of the frame rail. There are little stickers covering these holes. They look like black round stickers. They need to be removed. They're a little bit of a pain. You can use like a flathead screwdriver to peel it off, to start peeling it, and then it comes off easily. Once they come off, what I like to do is I like to put some anti-seize on the thread bolts they give you. The other important thing to note is these washers they give you. They don't show you clearly, but they have a little, this picture might show it. It shows that it has little teeny like nipples on the washer, and the washer's curved. Make sure those the little teeth, they're calling them teeth, that they are facing the inside. So in other words, make sure that those little teeth are not facing the bottom of the bolt, but are facing the metal where they're going. Okay, and that purpose is that they're concave, and when you torque them down, they squeeze, and they don't want to allow the bolts to loosen up. Okay, so other than that, it went pretty smooth. The instructions tell you to remove the tape to put this up. The only thing is, on mine, I had to remove this. It would not go back on without it. And that's pretty much it. It's a nice fit. It took me maybe tops 30 minutes, and I think that's what reading the manuals and everything. Hope this is helpful. Okay, so we got the hitch on. It wasn't too bad. This side, this is the factory tow hook thing. You have to take it off, like I said. You got to leave it off. I don't think there's any room to get it back on there. I'll show you the install. I was wrong in my initial video. We're actually on the outside of this frame rail, not the inside. I thought initially we were going to be on the inside, but we're not. We're on the outside of this frame rail, and then we're on the outside of the other one. But you could see the install, pretty clean. And again, over here on the outside.